Welcome to the 1920s, when America's social fabric transformed in ways that still echo today. Imagine a nation shaking off the shadows of World War I, bursting with new energy, new money, and new freedoms. Enter the flapper, bobbed hair, short skirts, and attitude to spare. These weren't just fashion statements, they were declarations of independence. Women had just won the vote, and they were ready to rewrite the rules of society. The city streets pulsed with jazz, pouring from clubs and speakeasies. In Harlem, a cultural renaissance bloomed, giving voice to African-American artists, writers, and musicians. Duke Ellington's music filled the night, while Langston Hughes's poetry captured the soul of a people. Thanks to mass production, Americans weren't just dreaming differently, they were living differently. Radios brought the world into living rooms. Cars turned Sunday drives into adventures. The consumer age had arrived, and with it, a new American identity. But beneath the glitter, tensions simmered. While cities roared, rural America struggled. The KKK resurged, targeting not just African Americans but immigrants and Catholics. Prohibition turned drinking into crime, and gangsters like Al Capone became underground kings. This wasn't just a decade, it was America's coming-of-age story, full of contradiction and transformation. The same era that gave us speakeasies and flappers also gave us social divides that we're still grappling with today.